Hey everybody, I'm going to try something that should be fun but could turn out really badly. Well, badly as in me losing a quadcopter. Okay, so here's the setup. We have our ground station in here. This is circularly polarized receiver antenna, but I am running a linearly polarized transmitter antenna, so it works fine. It's just it doesn't get the benefits of the circular polarization. Got my goggles here, Quantum DIY FPV goggles. 2200 to power it. So this is like that. And then I have my transmitter here, just a DX6i. So here's what the plan is. So if you look out here, those trees, I'm planning to take off from down there and fly up and over those trees, and so I can go fly around in the park. So in theory it should work, but I don't really know if it will. I'm going to be flying through glass, so I don't know if that'll interfere with anything or decrease the range of anything. It shouldn't. I'm only going to be flying about 500 feet away, according to Google Maps. So hopefully it'll be fine. And the other thing is I haven't range tested my receiver yet. On my other one, I have about 2,000 to 3,000 feet of range, so that's quite a lot for just a cheap Chinese Spectrum receiver. But I haven't range tested this. It should be able to go well over 500 feet, but we'll see. It's also a bit windy, so things are going great. But yeah, hopefully everything will go well. Something might not, but I guess we'll find out. Alright, we're recording. It's actually a bit rainy here. We're flying from up at that window. So it is a bit rainy, so I hope I don't kill anything. Let's go. worked. It's definitely a little sketchy, but yeah, it worked. I'm happy. It didn't blow up, so I hope I can do it again. Right now I'm just going to bring it in because it's all rainy and I don't want to blow anything up. So yeah, but I'm going to check out the video and see you guys next time.